We are building a very large library. Built-in would not be a really cool built-in library if it did not have a library ladder. So it's not our first time doing it, but we always love building these library ladders. It's just such a cool thing. We're excited to make one for our clients. So we've got the stock already milled out, and we've got the steps, and the steps get dadoed into the vertical strips here. So we need to get set up for that. And see tons of things on social media where people using their saw to make kerf cuts. So we're like, oh, all right, let's do it that way. But unfortunately, we found out when we went to do this that our saw only travels so far. It stops and does not make the full cut. So we're gonna have to make some modifications. Now, fortunately, the stop fence that we use here is on T-track, so it could be moved forward. So we're gonna make some adjustments to it and see if we can't do this just like it's done on a lot of the social media. The dados for the vertical portion of the ladder are at a 12-degree angle. So we have a 12-degree angle set up on our compound sliding miter saw. We have put a scrap piece of plywood to bring us out so that this edge here is just beyond the center of the arbor right there. So that should make sure that our cut goes all the way across. You would think the easy way to do this is if you take the width of your material and just set up a stop block over here. Now we pull this out. Come over here to test it out. And something's not quite right. It is too wide. So the way that we can fix that and get this as exact as possible is we can get a spacer that is the width of the dado and add that in when we pull the scrap piece out. Okay. Cut. And then if we pull this piece out, once again, we've got that, but I've got a drill bit, 3/32, which is the width of the kerf here. Bring it up to that, make my cut. And now you can see that the dado width is super precise.